In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear search history on Expedia. If you've been browsing different destinations and want a cleaner, more organized experience, this guide will walk you through how to manage your settings and keep everything up to date. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Expedia website. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a variety of travel options, including flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages. While these features are helpful for planning trips, today we'll focus specifically on accessing and managing your account settings. Next, direct your attention to your profile. If you're already signed in, look for your account icon or your name, usually located in the upper corner of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu that gives you access to different account options. From this menu, select the Account section. This area is where you can manage your personal information and adjust your preferences. Once you're inside your account page, look for the section labeled Security and Settings. This is where you'll find important controls related to your privacy and account management. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section, as it helps ensure your account stays secure and functions the way you want it to. Within the Security and Settings area, continue to the Account Management section. This is where you'll find options related to your stored data, including your search activity. Look for a feature labeled Clear Search and Saved Data. This option allows you to remove your past searches and any saved entries, helping you start fresh and keep your browsing experience uncluttered. If the option is available, simply select it and follow the prompt to confirm your action. This will clear your stored search data and reset your history. However, keep in mind that this feature may not always appear for every account. In some cases, it might be unavailable due to system updates or account-specific settings. If you don't see it, there's no need to worry, as your account will still function normally, and that's all there is to it. By navigating through these settings, you now know how to manage and clear your search history on Expedia, keeping your account organized and easy to use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.